Hey, I got some gift ideas for you that are going to be amazing for your friends and family that they're absolutely going to love. And I'm going to break it down by hair type, hair goals, hair focus, so that way you guys know exactly what to get from Hennasooq. And welcome to this channel. My name is Khadija, and I am the founder CEO of this amazing company, and I'm an expert in henna hair color and natural Ayurvedic herbal hair care, and I do the most gorgeous henna body art. So at Hennasooq, not only do we sell amazing hair care products, but we also have body art products. So wait till the end, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the type of gifts that you can get. If your hair is curly and you want to just define those curls, and you just want some maintenance, some go-to products that you can use, I highly recommend our Zysifus and Moringa Hair Mask. Is really good. Our Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher will leave your curls just full of moisture, hydrated, very defined. And also even our Cocoveda Hair Masque is a great deep conditioning treatment that gives a bit of strengthening, especially if your curls are on the finer side. And for those who have frizzy hair, you want to tame that frizz down a little bit, I highly recommend all of our argan products infused with the best liquid gold from Morocco, literally. That would be amazing for frizzy hair. You can use our camellia oil, our jojoba oil, and it just really adds the moisture and locks everything in. Especially don't forget that Cocoveda hair oil that will lock in all that moisture and make your curls very defined. Those are very popular products on our website that work so well. Looking for a great gift for someone who has oily hair, they don't want too much hydration, because we have a lot of hydrating products. What I would recommend is that we have the Sukesh and the Goddess hair as a bundle, and not only is it a great deal, but it is perfect for getting that oily hair just to not feel as oily. It really controls it and maintains it by doing those masks and treatments every 1 to 2 weeks. Looking for the perfect gift for those who have fine, delicate hair strands, because we need to give those hair strands a lot of care and really be gentle with that hair, because they can break really easily. So you want to choose the right gift for that person. So for finer hair strands, I highly recommend using Zysifus powder. We have our Zysifus and Moringa Hair Mask, our Zysifus hair wash with its matching sweet orange co-wash. Perfect to get those fine, delicate hair strands more thick, more rich, full of volume, and just not feeling weighed down as well at the same time. Just a really great masks that really can be a great start. And our ladies and gents with gorgeous locks, I highly recommend that you get them the gift of our hair teas, because the hair teas can be infused in a hair growth oil. It can also be infused in a tea, so it could be a spritz, which is very easy to use, and also you could use it as a rinse. Perfect for locks without wondering is it gonna be junky in my hair? Is it gonna be sticking? Is it gonna be buildup? Nah, none of that. And also what's great is that our hair wash and our shampoo bars, all of those are SLS free. Perfect again for locks. And another great product for locks that will also treat the scalp is our Ayurvedic hair oil. You gotta get them that as a gift for sure. And if you wanna get them something that is bundled up with products and a hair regimen plan, that would be the absolute perfect gift. All you have to do is go on our website, hennasooq.com, click featured, and then click the hair regimen guide. That would be amazing. Choose one of those hair regimen guides. Our perfect beginners one would be Ayurvedic Strength and Hair Growth Regimen Plan. Has all the products. It has a free 6-week digital hair regimen guide and course included with that. So if you're looking for an all-in-one like that as a gift, that is not only products but got all the hair regimen guide right included, that's perfect. So definitely go with that and give them that as a gift. And for the artists out there, the creatives, your friend that just loves just drawing and doodling and just wants something that will tap into moments of self-care for them. So this henna and jaguar body art course includes a free, only till the end of this month. At the end of December, this promotion's over. It's $139 value for that kit that has everything you need to get started, and a 6-month training and Henna and Jaguar body art. So you definitely want to get them that. And what else do you have to watch out as we close up the year? There's going to be BOGO sales on gift cards. We're going to have an end of inventory sale coming up. So make sure you're signed up for our mailing list because you do not want to miss any of our promotions, especially if you have SMS and you sign up for text notifications. You'll get to know right away. You'll be the first to know. So thank you for tuning in. I hope these gifts are going to be something that you're going to scoop up for someone you care about, and I know they will love it. I absolutely know it. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified, and I'll see you next time.